Hi everyone. Hopefully your preparation is going well. This is the LR set that we are going to try in today's episode. We discussed this set in live workshop on LR. This was part of the first test that we conducted during the workshop. I was solving the set for the first time, and whatever thoughts came in my mind while reading and solving the set, I spoke it out loud. If you have tried the set, then go ahead and watch the solutions and discussion related to it, which will be starting right away. And if you have not tried it, we'll recommend you to try it once before you watch the solutions. Before we start today's discussion, let me take a moment to introduce some fascinating courses at Mathoratory. Simply visit our website and check the plethora of options that we provide for CAT, GMAT, and other aptitude test preparation. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per their requirements. Very recently, we have launched our live workshops for CAT and OMETs, which will be conducted every Sunday from 25th of April 2021. Every area of testing will be dealt in these live sessions. It will also include strategy sessions and special workshops on top MBA entrance tests for Indian B schools. In each of the workshops, we will provide live tests as well as live analysis of those tests for the specific topic which is being discussed in that workshop. Instead of purchasing the entire bundle, initially we are offering the option to register yourself for a single workshop. Just visit the workshops page under our courses and scroll down to get the option to register for the very next workshop that is going to be conducted. Let's now continue with today's video and have an enjoyable preparation ahead. So we have annual salaries of 6 employees, A, B, J, K, P, T, okay, different first letters are given, annual salaries are given. Each of them saves a different percentage of annual salary. Okay, great. And invest in different option. All right. So nothing is in no particular order. So again, a table sort of idea is happening. But as opposed to the previous one, I have that sequence in mind initially, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because there was a sort of a arrangement kind of thing that was also happening. They're standing in a queue. So that position also becomes relevant. But in this case, because I don't have any specific attribute. So there are multiple attributes, right? Employee name, then you have the salary, then you have the percentage savings. You can also calculate the savings. You have different investment options. So there are multiple attributes to each person. Now, no particular attribute is having any predominance over any other attribute, right? So as of now, I'm not deciding which is going to be the first column or whether I'm going to have the first column filled up or not. So I know the table structure, but yes, this much I can analyze. First statement. So let me think about whether I should be allocating on the basis of some particular attribute, or I would just go with the flow, something like that. So let me have a check. So first statement is saying employee who earns the highest. Okay, so highest we know who is that, saves 2.4 lakhs. So as soon as I know this 2.4, I can figure out the percentage as well, and invested in POSs. So a lot of things are known about this person, but this is the name is not known. Great. Now Jay saves 15%. Okay, so Jay saves 15%. So if I look at this information and this information, the only thing that is in common is the percentage. The percentage is used in both the information. Second point says annual salary of Preetham is the least among the six. He saves 1/12 of the amount saved by the employee who invests in PMVVY. I don't think there is any attribute that is having a higher predominance, because again, second point is talking about Preetham is saving the having the least salary, right? So least salary. So this is linking the Preetham with the salaries. In the previous case, it was linking the person with the percentage. So no particular attribute is having a higher predominance. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to develop the table first of all. I might require the below the table, so I'll just mark this the end of the table, and I'll just keep collecting the rows as I can. So first point, employee who earns the highest. So oh, by the way, let me collect these numbers also. First point is saying employee who earns the highest. So highest is 12 lakh, is saving 2.4. So that is 20%. So this is 20, and is investing in POSS. Okay. So 12 is gone and this 20% is gone. Fine. I don't know who this is. Annual salary of Preetham. Sorry, I missed something. Jay saves 15% of an annual salary. So Jay is 15%. Nothing else is known about Jay. Let's leave that blank. Annual salary of Preetham is the least among the six. So Preetham is least. So Preetham has to be 4 lakhs. So 4 lakh is taken. By the way, 15% is also gone. He saves 1/12 of the amount saved by the employee who invests in PMVVY. So there is some X person who is investing in PMVVY. So I'm not collecting this, by the way. I would not write this. This is just so that you guys understand. So Preetham's savings is 1/12 of this X person saving, right? Now, Preetham's saving will be Preetham's saving percentage into Preetham's total salary. And same thing with this X person's saving will be X person saving percentage into this X person's total salary, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break this into these two parts. Now this thing has to be 1/12, right? Okay, so we have this Preetham savings and X savings is 1/12. So what fractions can I break this and this? So we already know that this value is 4, right? So let me replace that with 4. So what could be this total salary here? See, if I pick up 7 for this, then this is silly. I can straight away say, because if this is 4/7, then this has to be 7/48 in order to get this 1/12. So how do you get this 7/48 from these numbers? So these are the percentage values that are available, right? So you cannot have a 7/48. So this 7 is not possible here. See, if I pick up 8 here, so this is half. I mean, 4/8 is half. So this has to be 1/6, right? Now 1/6 is possible if I take a 5 and 30. So if I take 5 for this and 30 for this, so 1/6, so this is possible, right? So I'll just keep a separate note for this. Preetham's salary is 4, that is known. So for this X person, it could be salary as 8 and percentage as 30, and Preetham's percentage could be 5. So this is one case. This is one possibility. Let's look at others. If I take the X salary as 9, again, this is also silly because then this has to be 9/48 or something. Even 4/10 is silly because if I take 4/10, then this has to be 10/48, right? Again, 5/24, not possible. Don't ignore the 12. By the way, this 12, whoever this is, we don't know. But the point is, this X person is investing in PMVVY. So anyhow, that cannot be 12, right? Because this is in pause. So now we know that this is the only possible case. So what we know, a couple of things here actually. One is that Preetham's saving is 5%. So this has to be 5%. Obviously, I can figure out the savings. I'll do that in a while. Another, the X person, I don't know who this is, but that person is earning 8 lakhs and saving 30% of it, right? And also investing in this PMVVY. So this has to be PMVVY. So this much is known to me. Third point, average of annual salaries of Aman, Vivek and Kumar is 8 lakhs. Okay, so A, B and K, this has an average of 8 lakhs, a total of 24. So if I add this up, by the way, if I consider from average point of view itself, if I look at the salary value, see, ABK cannot take a 4, right? That much is for sure. This 12 or 8 could be. We don't know the person who this is. But in order to have the average as 8, one possibility is that all of them are 8, which is silly in this context because everybody has a different salary. All the values are not 8, then one value, at least one value has to be less than 8, right? So if at least one value is less than 8, 4 is already gone, right? ABK cannot be 4. That has to be 7, right? So if I take one value as 7, the other two values should be adding up to 17. So 17 can be only 8 plus 9, right? 10 plus 7, we cannot have a repetition. So this has to be 7, 8, 9. So that is the only possibility. So let me write it in this way. This I might require later on. So ABK has to be picked up from 7, 8 or 9. I don't know the ordering, by the way. One of this is this 8. So one of this will be ABK, but it has to be in some this thing, right? So this is 7, by the way. Okay. Next, fourth point, Bibek invests in NPS. Okay, none of these 4 could be Bibek then. I mean, these 2 cannot be Bibek any which way, and these 2 are different investments. So Bibek has to be another row. So Bibek invests in NPS. So this is good. So now I know this is either A or K. So let me keep that. Maybe I require that later on. So this is either A or K because 7, 8, 9, if you remember, this cannot be Bibek. The employee who saves 25% does not invest in gold. So 25% has to be one of these 2. even if 25% is here, this is not gold, right? So 25% can be going here or here. So we don't know as of now. So this is why I might utilize below the table now. So 25% is not gold. Those who are attending my my session first time, I use this symbol for not. So 25% not gold. Okay, some of the annual salaries of the employee who invests in real estate and the employee who saves 10%. So real estate and 10% is equal to some of the annual salaries of Aman and another employee who saves 30%. Okay, so Aman and another person who invests in 30%, saves 30%, that is sorry. That is the sum of the annual salaries here. And the real estate, so I just write it in short. Real estate plus 10%. These two total should be equal, right? Okay, 30%. 30% is known to me. So this is 8. Great. Oh, by the way, this one says Aman and another employee. So this is indirectly telling me that this is K. This is good, by the way. And Aman cannot be this person. So this has to be Aman. Oh, a lot of this is done. This is Tanmay. This is 7 or 9, right? Aman and this thing. Okay, let me work on this one. So 30% is 8 plus Aman's. So Aman could be either 7 or 9. So this thing could be either 7 or 9. So if I take 8 plus 7, that is 15. So I need to get a 15 from here, right? 10% in real estate, nothing is known. So let me look at the numbers. So 15, can I form with anything here? Nothing is feasible. So it has to be 17. So Aman has to be 9. So 9 plus 8, I can take it as 10 plus 7, right? So one of these two has to be 10 and another has to be 7. Interesting. So I'll come to that. So 10 plus 7 in some order, 7 plus 10 or 10 plus 7. By the way, Aman is 9. So this is 9. 30% 8. What else can I do? J 15%, that is known. Oh, ABK. So this is 7, right? So this has to be 7. And J is 10. So this is 10. Oh, so real estate, by the way, real estate cannot be 10. No, sorry, cannot be 7. Real estate cannot be 7 because this is already blocking. So this has to be real estate. And that resolves everything, right? So 10% has to go here. Okay, I could have used the 10% idea as well. And what is left off? So that is 25%. So that's it, I guess. Savings I can figure out. Not gold. Okay, 25% is not gold. So this is not gold. So gold has to go here. And whatever is left off is here. So I'm not going into this. So let me directly go into the questions. Okay, what is the absolute difference between the savings of Preetham and Jay? Wow. Okay, Preetham is 5% of 4. So 10% is 0.4. So this is 0.2. And Jay is 15% of 10. So that is 1.5. So difference will be 1.3. Next question, who among the following invest his or her savings in real estate? So real estate is Jay. So, okay. What is the annual salary of Tanmay in lakhs? So 12 lakhs, straightforward. Which of the following employees have the same annual savings? Same annual savings. Oh, this I have to calculate. None of these three have. 30% of 8 is 2.4. Okay, so this T and K, do you have that? Yeah. So fourth, second option has to be right. Thank you for watching us on YouTube. Hope you liked the video. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for notifications. Do like the video and share it among your friends. Also leave a comment below for the video. As I mentioned at the start of the video, these questions were discussed in our live workshops. To watch more of these workshops, you'll have the option to take a free trial. Simply visit our website, select the live workshops from our courses, and enroll for a trial. Also check the plethora of options we provide for CAT, GMAT, and other management entrance test preparation at Mathoratory. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per the requirements. You will have an option to either take a full course or learn exactly what you need to. For instance, if you plan to prepare one-to-one live with mentor, you can book sessions for only doubt clearing or even just for analyzing your mocks. Even for CAT preparation, if you don't need the one-to-one guidance, the mocks, the mock analysis, the workshops, or the GDPI, which are actually included in the comprehensive course, and you just want to train for specific topics of your choice, then simply select a capsule from these numerous options which are available to you. It will cover everything from basics to all variations and applications of the topic under study. Take a trial or book a demo with us and select the course which best suits your needs. Thank you for joining in and have a pleasant preparation ahead.